Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making some Christmas ornaments that I'm going to put on my Christmas tree. So we have like a felt penguin, a felt gingerbread man, and this is just like a foam like ball, like an ornament ball, right? So this one we can just like color whichever one you want. So let's start off with this ornament first because it's the easiest to do. And it came with like these glitter type pens, but it looks like they're dried out, so I'm gonna be using these pastel pens that I have instead. And I've already tested it, it works. The little green. Okay, so yeah, let's start coloring this. I'm honestly not sure what design I want to do. What design should I do? Actually, you know what? I have an idea. I don't know if that looks like a shark, but that's kind of what I'm just going to do. I'm just going to fill it with like a bunch of random doodles. So I'll check back in when I'm done with that. Right, that is my ornament all done. So yeah, this side we have the little short guy, and on this side we have a little robot, a panicking robot type thing. Bear with like the X eyes, and like he's kind of like stitched together. And then we have a little popcorn dude with a bow tie and a top hat. Don't tell me that doesn't look like a top hat, I will cry. And then you have a little heart at the bottom. And yeah, that is my ornament. This is my super cool ornament. Ooh, look at it, look at it. Okay, so the next two crafts we have are like these felt crafts. And technically you can use like what's it called, like liquid glue to make them, but I don't have that, so I'm gonna be sewing them together with a needle and thread. So let's do the penguin first, if I remember like where this is. Well, actually, I'm gonna take all the pieces first. I'm just gonna lay out both the crafts, so I know kind of. Yeah, that's the feet. That's fine. I thought I broke it for a second. There you go. Okay. This thing goes right here, there, and then we just tie the string around it. I think it looks so creepy. Okay. Okay, so those are our little ornaments, and now I just have to sew them together, which is gonna take a long time. I won't show the sewing part, but I'm just telling you like that's how I'm gonna do it. But I don't think I'm gonna show it because I need like space and time to do this. So yeah, I'll just do that in my own time, and then I'll cut back to when I finish both of them. Okay, so I finished sewing the penguin, and I kind of like, I put a little hook here so I can hang on the tree. So yeah, you can see that there's a lot of stitch lines here. That's why I recommend like use a liquid glue, because then there won't be any like stitch lines or anything. But overall, yeah, expectation versus reality. It's a penguin, I'll tell you that. Okay, so there is my finished gingerbread man ornament. I would say I got it pretty close. I did have to get rid of like the little icing part there because I didn't have enough thread. And then, like in the end, it's like a little detail versus like the eyes. That's what it was. So yeah, I just have to leave that out. I think it's better than the penguin ornament. Look, on the penguin ornament, you can clearly see the stitches, but on the gingerbread one, it's not that noticeable. So yeah, I think this one's probably my favorite out of all of them. And yeah, that's all the ornaments that I made. And now I'm gonna go put them on my Christmas tree. But thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya!